To send money to a friend using PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account on the website or through the mobile app. If you do not have a PayPal account, you will need to create one and link a payment method such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Once you are logged in, click on the Send and Request tab. Then select Send Money to Friends and Family. Enter the email address or phone number of the friend you want to send money to. If your friend does not have a PayPal account, they will be prompted to create one to receive the money. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. You can also add a note to the payment to let your friend know what the money is for. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, including the recipient's information, the amount, and any fees that may apply. PayPal does not charge a fee to send money to friends and family within the United States when you use your PayPal balance or bank account. However, there may be a fee if you use a credit or debit card. Once you have reviewed the payment details, click Send and the money will be transferred to your friend's PayPal account. Your friend will receive an email notification when the money is sent and they can then transfer the money to their bank account or use it to make purchases online. It is a good idea to only send money to people you know and trust, and to never send money to someone who claims to be a friend or family member but you have not verified their identity. In addition, make sure to keep your PayPal account and password secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily send money to a friend using PayPal and take advantage of the convenience and security that the service provides.